Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video, I will show you guys how to get a really cool Call of Duty Zombies game on PS Vita called ZombieBound Reloaded. So this is a completely free homebrew game. It was actually made very recently. So if you guys want to get it, go ahead and open up Vita Shell. You will need to connect your PS Vita to your PC. So go ahead, press select, go and connect it, and I will show you guys what to do next. Right guys, so over on your computer I will leave two links in the description. The first one is just like an article about the game. So it was made by Vita Hex, and basically it's like Call of Duty Zombies. It's made by Unity, or it's made with Unity, and here's like a screenshot of it right now. It's actually a pretty cool game. So if you have ever played like Call of Duty Zombies before, World at War Zombies, Black Ops 2 Zombies, it's pretty much like that. You can buy weapons off the wall, there's like rounds, you can open doors, that sort of thing. I think right now there are only two like levels on it, but hopefully it's going to be improved more. There are 4 weapons, and yeah, the controls are pretty good as well, and the shooting triggers are good as well. So if you guys would like to get this, I will leave a second link in the description. This is his Patreon. If you want to become a Patreon to him, you can. I believe this is the guy that makes like tons of stuff as well. He also made Super Mario War available on the PS Vita, so he makes tons of these homebrew apps and gets them working. He ports them over. So if you guys want to download this, there is a Google Drive link right here, so just click on this and it will bring you to Google Drive where we can download the VPK. So just click on the download icon up here, just give it a couple of seconds and it should begin downloading. Okay, so once it has finished downloading, let's go and find it in our downloads folder, and we can simply drag and drop it across to the root of our PS Vita. So let's just give this a couple of seconds. You don't need any data files with this, it's literally just the VPK. Okay, so once it's copied across, that's now it for our computer. So let's go back onto our PS Vita, let's install it, and I will show you guys some gameplay. Back on your PS Vita, let's go and install the VPK file. So we can find it on our UXO, scroll all the way down. Here it is, ZombieBound Reloaded. Let's press X again to install it. You might have to press X a third time just to enable it to install. And then just wait for a few seconds and it will be done soon. Okay, so once it's done, let's find the homebrew game on our home screen. So here it is, ZombieBound Reloaded. Let's just tap it and just tap on Start. So here it is guys, it's made by Unity. Let's press X to start and it should let us choose a map to play. So there are 2 maps right now, there could possibly be more in the future. Let's check out the abandoned store first. So let's just press X and wait for it to load. Okay guys, so I will now show you some gameplay. I've actually been playing it just for a few minutes. I'm on round 3 already, and yeah, it's actually pretty good. It is really like Call of Duty Zombies. It kind of reminds me of the Black Ops 1 Zombies, maybe a bit like the Black Ops 2 ones as well. So right now we're on wave 4. It's fairly simple. You use your analog sticks, square for reload, you use left for aim, and then you use right just to shoot your weapon. So I've got the Spaz 12 right now. I'm actually going to upgrade my pistol. You can switch weapons by pressing triangle, and yeah, it's really like Call of Duty Zombies. But let's buy this new weapon. This is the AK-47, I believe. So sometimes you do get a few lag spikes. I'm not sure if that's because I'm on the old PS Vita. It might be better on the new one, I'm not too sure. But yeah, it's actually a pretty cool game. So there's places you can buy on the map, you can like build borders and stuff like that. It really is just like the Call of Duty Zombies. There are 2 maps as well, so I will play the other map in a second. Let's just see if we can survive this. So there you go. So I'm not actually too sure if there's anywhere else to buy in this map. I just noticed there is actually something at the corner right here, not too sure what that is. Let's turn up the volume as well, just so I can show you what it sounds like. So they're kind of like gun sounds. Let's switch out to my shotgun. This is what the shotgun sounds like. And yes, I think what we're going to do now, let's test out the other games. We can press start for the menu. Let's go to quick game. Let's press X to start. Let's test out the other game since we're on here. This one is Farmhouse. So just wait for it to load in, and then here we are on Farmhouse as well. This one is a lot smoother, I reckon, because it's a smaller map. There is a door right here you can buy, but it just feels a lot smoother to play than the other map. Maybe it's easier to run or something. Let's also look at the options quickly. If you just press on start, you can actually open up the menu. Let's go down to quick game. Let's have a look at the options as well. So if we just wait for the menu to come up, press X. So let's see, what have we got if we go into options? So we've got volume and aim sensitivity and credits. So no kind of like graphics options, which is kind of a shame. But yeah, pretty interesting. So that is pretty much it for this video. It's a pretty cool game. If you like Call of Duty Zombies, you will definitely like this. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.